Cars. Written by Bethany Latham. Contents, page 4. Cars. Chapter, page 6. Keywords. Page 8. A timeline of cars. Page 10. Types of cars. Page 12. Car parts. Page 14. In the driver's seat. Page 16. Inside the engine. Page 18. Safety first. Page 20. Believe it or not. Page 22. Are you a genius kid? Page 24. Glossary and index. Words that look like this can be found in the glossary on page 24. Cars. Cars are amazing machines. They can help people in many ways. Cars are vehicles used for carrying people or passengers. Cars usually can carry a smaller number of people than other vehicles. Cars have 4 wheels. They travel on roads. People use cars to drive to work, to visit fun places. Can you imagine a world without cars? Keywords. Here are some keywords about cars that every genius kid should learn. Automobile. Automobile is another word for car. Auto means by itself. Mobile means capable of moving or being moved. Engine. An engine is a machine that turns energy into movement. Most cars have combustion engines. Fuel. Fuel is the energy source used to power a car. Most cars use gasoline or diesel as fuel. Horsepower. Horsepower is a way of measuring how powerful a car's engine is. Higher horsepower means more power. Do you know, some cars use plant and animal waste as fuel. A timeline of cars. Pre-cars. Before cars, people used horses and carts to travel long distance. 1769. Nicholas Joseph Cognot built a 3-wheeled vehicle powered by steam. 1865. Carl Benz built an automobile with an internal combustion engine. 1888. Bertha Benz made the first long journey in an automobile. She drove around 60 miles, 96.6 kilometers. The 1890s. Many steam and battery-powered automobiles existed. 1913. In the United States, Henry Ford made a car assembly line in his factory. Cars be built more quickly. Now, many cars are powered by electricity. Types of cars. There are many kinds of cars. They are designed to do different things. The roofs of convertible cars can be taken off. Convertible. A hatchback's trunk is part of the main body of the car. The trunk door is called a hatch. Hatchback. Sports cars are usually lighter and faster than other cars. Sports car. Sedans have trunks that are separated from the inside of the car. Sedan. Pickup trucks have open storage space in the back. They usually have 4-wheel drive. Pickup. Car parts. On the outside, most cars have the same parts. The engine is stored under the hood. Headlights help drivers see where they are going at night. Do you know, most cars have license plates on the front and back of the car. The body of the car holds the passengers. It's usually made of steel and plastic. The trunk is for storage at the back of the car. Some cars have exhausts. This is where waste from the engine is released as gases. The black outer part of tires is made of rubber. In the driver's seat. On the inside, cars have many parts that help them move. The driver presses pedals with their feet to make the car stop and go. Pedals. The driver turns the steering wheel to control where the car goes. Steering wheel. The speedometer tells the driver how fast the car is going. The fuel gauge shows how much fuel the car has left. Fuel gauge, speedometer. The driver changes gears using a gear shift. Gear shift. The parking brake keeps the car from rolling forward or backward when it is parked. Parking brake. Inside the engine. Most cars have internal combustion engines. Combustion engines use air and fuel to make small explosions. These explosions make engine parts called pistons go up and down. This makes the car go. Do you know? Engines use heat to create movement. Motors use electricity. Combustion engines usually use gasoline. This is a liquid mixture made from petroleum. Electric vehicles do not use fuel in their motors. Instead, they have a battery. They must be charged like a phone. Safety first. There are many things in the car that keep the passengers safe. Seatbelts go across the stomach and chest. They help keep passengers safe in case of a crash. Airbags open if the car crashes. They stop the passengers from hitting the hard surface. Horns make sounds to tell others the car is there. Windshield wipers keep the front window clear in bad weather. Review and side view mirrors help the driver see what is behind and around the car. Believe it or not, there are around 1.5 billion vehicles in the world. That is about one vehicle for every 5 people. The first 3-sign traffic signal was invented in 1823 by Garrett Morgan. Before then, traffic signals only had stop and go. It would take just under 6 months to drive to the moon. Road vehicles account for most of the carbon dioxide created by all transportation. Carbon dioxide is a major cause of climate change. Are you a genius kid? Now you have tons of cool car facts to impress your friends and family with. But first, let's test your knowledge. Are you a genius kid? Check back through the book if you are not sure. 1. In what year did Henry Ford create his car assembly line? 2. What is the name of the car that can have its roof removed? 3. What is horsepower? Answers: 1. 1913. 2. Convertible. 3. A way of measuring how powerful a car's engine is. Glossary. Assembly line. A line of machines and workers in the factory that each do a job to build something. Climate change. The long-term change in an area's weather and temperature patterns that is caused by human activities. Combustion engines. Engines that are powered by burning or setting fire to something. Four-wheel drive. A system where the engine gives power to 4 wheels instead of 2. Fuel. Something that can be used to make energy or power something. Gears. Parts of a machine that make other parts move. Different gears help cars move at different speeds. Rubber. A tough material made from a sap of some plants. Steam. A hot gas that is made when water is heated. Vehicles. Machines that are used to carry people or things. Index. Automobiles 6, 8, 9. Drivers 12, 14, 15, 19. Engines 6, 8, 12, 13, 16, 17. Fuel 7, 15, 17. Pedals 14. Tires 13. Vehicles 4, 8, 17, 20, 21. Wheels 5, 8, 11. Windshield wipers 18.